Now we have the January 2018 paper 1 over here. The first question, what percentage of 40 is 8? This is pretty easy. So it is same as asking express 8 as a percentage of 40, which is 8 over 40 times 100, and that will give you 1 out of 5 times 100, which is equal to 20%. So let's move on to the next question. The exact value of 6 divided by 0.0003 is, so we just simplify this. We have this 6 divided by 0.0003. So let's change this to a fraction. 3 over, we have 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4 zeros, so 3 over 1000. Now let's change this to multiplication and reciprocate to get something like this. So we can now simplify. Now this will go here 2 times, so multiply 2 by 10,000 to get 20,000. So this is the correct answer. Now let us check for the next one. If 6 times 10 exponent negative n is equal to 0.06, where n is greater than 0, then n is. So we have this. Our problem lies here, so we just rewrite this to look like this. That is, write it in standard form. We have to move the decimal point forward twice, and forward movement is negative. So when we compare, we can cancel out this, then we are left with this. So comparing the exponent, this exponent must be equal to this exponent. So this and this must be equal, since the bases are also equal. So that will give us n equal to. The question, we have this question. Paula bought 1/7/8 meters of fabric to make a shirt, while Rita bought 1/3/4 meters to make her shirt. How much more fabric did Paula buy than Rita? So it's just a matter of subtracting this from this. So let's go. We need to convert to improper fraction. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 7, which is 15/8. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3, which is 7 out of 4. Now let's create equivalent fractions. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2 to get this. 7 times 2 is 14, 4 times 2 is 8. Now they are the same, so we can write one base and subtract the exponents and subtract the numerators. So 50 minus 14 will be equal to 1 out of 8 meters. Then we have the fifth one. The value of 29.94 times 0.5 is approximately equal to what? So we know this is the equation given to us, and we can easily do this. This 0.5 is the same as half, and we can approximate this by rounding to the nearest whole number. 29 is almost equal to 30, so half of 30, that will be 15. So the correct answer is C. Now let's look at option question 6. There are 60 students in a class. Girls make up 60% of the class. 25% of the girls wear glasses. How many girls in the class wear glasses? So we know that number of students are 40. Then we have number of girls to be 60%, 60 over 100. So this will get rid of this. Then this also get rid of this. We are left with 4. So 6 times 4 will give us 24. Now out of these 24 who are girls, we have 25% of the girls wearing glasses. So number of girls that are wearing glasses is 25 out of 100 times 24, and 25 out of 100 is the same as 1 out of 4. Before we go here, 6 times, that will be equal to 6. So 6 girls wearing glasses. Question 7. We have this 3 times 7 plus 3 times 5 is the same as, so we use the distributive property. We have A times B plus A times C is equal to A outside and B plus C. So let's go. We have 3, which is standing for A, B, and C. So we have 3 outside, 7 plus 5. So the correct answer will be this. Now let's go on to the question. What is the highest common factor of the set of numbers 30, 45, and 90? So we've list the factors of 30 to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. The factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. The factors of 90 are these. Now the common factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. So the highest of these common factors is 15. Another way to do it is to use the prime factorization. We know that 30 is the same as 2 times 3 times 5. 2 by 3 by 5. Then 45 is the same as 3 by 3 by 5. Then we know that 90 is the same as 3 by 3 by 2 by 5. So to find the LCM, to find the highest common factor, we look for the list of the powers. So the list of 3 are, we have this, we have this, then we have this. We don't have 2 running through of them. We have 5, the list is 5, then 5, then 5. So even though we are dealing with highest common factor, we take the least powers and multiply them. So 3 exponent 1, that is the least for the 3. Then 5 exponent 1 is the least for the 5. For the 2, we don't have anything running through all of them, so we don't pick it. Now the correct choice will be 3 by 5, which is equal to 15. That will be the correct answer. You can go by this method or this. Then let's go on to the next question. What is the least common multiple? What is the least number of plums that can be shared equally among either 6, 9, or 12 children? So that is equal to find the least common multiple of 6, 9, and 12. And we know the multiples of 6, we know the multiples of 9 too to be this, the multiples of 12 to be this. Now the least of the multiples is 36. Therefore the correct answer is 36. Another way to do it is to find a prime factorization. You know 6 is the same as 2 times 3. Then multiples of 9 will be the same as 3 by 3. 9 is the same as 3 by 3. Then 12 is the same as 4 by 3. So 12 is the same as 2 squared, or 2 by 2 by 3. So in this case we take the highest powers. We take the common factor with the highest powers. So we pick, so for the 2's we pick the highest, which is this 2 by 2. Then for the 3, the highest is this, is 3 by 3. So by 3 by 3, that will give you 4 times 9, which is equal to 36. So you can use this approach or this. Then let's look at question 10 for this. If 3n is an odd number, which of the following is an even number? So let's pick n to be 3. Then 3n minus 1 will be 3 times 3 minus 1, which is 8. So we are picking n to be 3. Now 3n plus 2 will be equal to 3 times 3 plus 2. That will give us 11. Then 3n minus 2 will be 3 times 3 minus 2, which will be equal to 7. Then 3n plus 2n will be 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 2 times 3, which is 6, and to give you 15. So the only one which is even is first one. So the correct choice is this. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also to my second channel. All the best. Now if you can still see this red thing here, it means you have not yet subscribed. So you just have to click it so that the next upload, you see it is still red. You have to click it so that if I upload the next video, you'll be informed. Click the bell icon too so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.